Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here from YouTube. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about CKB price action and what exactly is going on. So let's get into this. So welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you guys haven't already heard, we'll be having Jordan Mack on the channel for a live stream Thursday, April 14th, 1 p.m. Central Time. I'd love to see all of you there. You can ask him any questions crypto related that you want. He is just coming on more as an individual versus representative of Nervos Network. So keep that in mind. But it is always good to kind of listen to these people who have been around the blockchain and crypto space for decades, for that matter. So it is awesome that Jordan is coming on. It's always a pleasure to have him. So let's kind of talk where CKB is at. Nothing's really changed since the last video I've put out, other than the fact that we are really testing this lower trend line. And you can see, folks, this is the same drawing that I left up from the last video. We have very strong support along this trend line. And as time goes on, I think, by the end of the year, we could easily see some squeezes up to this 2.5, 3 cent-ish level. I do think that right now on this 12-hour chart, price action is gearing up for some sort of a reversal. And I'm almost kind of wondering if we are going to be seeing a Fibonacci sliver by default. That's where price kind of squeezes like this. Whenever we get into a nice symmetrical triangle or something like that, where we have multiple trend lines squeezing against each other in the form of a symmetrical triangle, I like to call this a Fibonacci sliver by default, simply because price is squeezing against this dominant channel here, and there's only one way for it to go, hopefully up. Actually, there's two ways it can go, and I'm hoping that we see price action go upwards. So I would say if this trades around a penny for the next, I don't know, couple weeks, don't be alarmed. We are just kind of working things out. Let's just look at this in an hour-long chart. I mean, we can see that there is a very clear established corrective wave that did happen here. And it almost looks like there might even be some sort of symmetrical triangle that is forming here to boot. So really, if we start to see CKB trading under this 0.0104 level, maybe even this 0.009-ish level, there may be something more happening with CKB at this time. Let's look at this on a weekly chart. Like I said, folks, there is not a whole lot here for me to update you guys on, but if we look at this on a weekly chart, price is way too far away from this Ichimoku cloud. So that is another reason I do think that we are going to be seeing CKB really squeeze hard the next week or two. If this happens, I do think that we will see prices really take off. So just another reason here to stay supportive. If you can dollar cost average down, this isn't financial advice or anything like that, but feel free to explore your options. Bring your cost down by dollar average costing down, things like that. Don't play with money you can't afford to lose, that type of thing. So really, folks, I do think, I know it's tough. I know it's tough to be riding these emotional waves to see CKB at these price levels. But like I said in the last video, if CKB was at 4 cents right now, we'd all be dying and chomping at the bit to buy at a penny. Guaranteed. It is what it is. Price is at a penny. It's a great accumulation zone. So we're still holding the gigantic bull pennant for now. That's a reason to be bullish with CKB. We're just testing these trend lines here to make sure we have enough support to make another crack at this 3 cent level. And this thing could really take off flying as well. So I mean, it is what it is, right? But anyways, folks, I hope you guys all have a wonderful day wherever you're at in the world. Big shout out to all the Patreons. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. If you're interested in supporting the channel, $3 a month will get your name, YouTube channel name, or business name up on this banner, folks. Don't let the markets get you down.